The magic of this natural remedy for skin tightening will surprise you and change your story. You only need a raw papaya, ripe tomato, baking soda and castor oil. Let's watch how to prepare this simple magic remedy. Once you have prepared, this paste is used to massage on the skin you want to tighten. The remedy will tighten any saggy skin in few days. Just massage using your fingertips in circular motion for at least 5 minutes and wash away after 30 minutes. Repeat for 7 to 10 days. You will start seeing some changes to your saggy skin. Let us know your opinions in the comment box below. Please subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips. Thanks for watching.